Hello viewers, are you looking for the best tablet under 30,000 price bracket in 2025? Today in this video I will mention 3 tablets or iPads that you can buy right now under the price bracket of 30,000 rupees. The first tablet or iPad is in the list is iPad 11th generation 128GB variant. iPad 11th generation brings an 11-inch retina display. It is a non-laminated display with 500 nits of brightness. This tablet or iPad is ideal for reading, editing and watching contents. The processor of this iPad is A16 Bionic chipset, which is very powerful for video editing, multitasking and many more activities. Battery backup of iPad 11th generation is another strong area. It can deliver you an SOT of 10 hours plus on a single charge. In the software update department, iPads are legendary here. 5 years plus iPadOS updates guaranteed for this iPad 11th generation. Also, the updates are very stable and smooth. The best price for iPad 11th generation is 27 to 28,000 rupees during offers. So this is one of the solid iPads in 30,000 price bracket. If I talk about the drawbacks of iPad 11th generation is that it doesn't have any Apple Intelligence in this iPad. Minimum requirement of RAM for Apple Intelligence is 8GB and this iPad doesn't have 8GB of RAM. Otherwise, this is a solid all-rounder. The second tablet that you can buy under the price bracket of 30,000 rupees is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus levels up with a huge 12.4-inch 120Hz LCD display. This display is smooth, bright and great for multitasking and split-screen work. The battery backup of Tab S9 FE Plus is also very good. It comes with enormous 10,000 plus mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging support. The processor inside this Tab S9 FE Plus is 1580, which is not so powerful as A16, but it can do the task of multitasking, light video editing and light gaming. Also, using S Pen in the box, you can do many creative tasks. Writing experience with the S Pen is best among these tablets. During last year's Big Billion Days sale, this tablet was sold at 22,000 rupees. But this year, many people have bought this tablet at 25,000 rupees. But currently, the price of this tablet is higher. So, if you get this tablet under 25,000 rupees, that will be a very good buy. If I talk about the software updates, it will get 4 years of software updates. Already it has got 2 software updates, so you can expect 2 more software updates. The third tablet that you can buy under the price bracket of 30,000 rupees is Oneplus Pad 2. Currently the 128GB of Oneplus Pad 2 is selling at a price point of 29,000 rupees. So this is a very good pricing for this tablet. Oneplus Pad 2 packs a sharp 12.1-inch 3K read fit display with a 144Hz refresh rate and balanced 7:5 aspect ratio, giving a professional paper-like view for writers and designers. You can enjoy this tablet for multimedia consumption, video editing and multitasking. Oneplus Pad 2 leads with 9510 mAh battery, perfect for long work and binge watching. This tablet also supports writing experience, but you have to buy the Stylo 2.0 for having a writing experience on this tablet. Sometimes they offer pre-Stylo inside the box, but the software update cycle will not be as smooth as Samsung or Apple. Plus the software updates are not so smooth on OnePlus tablets. Now you have to decide which tablet suits your priorities. Let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy any of these tablets or iPads. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel. In my next video, I will talk about the best price of tablets in Christmas sale that will occur in the month of December. So stay tuned for that video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.